Thursday, July 6th, 2023. Market, morning market pre-opening. Okay, let's get started. Going right into S&P. Actually, yesterday the Fed meeting says Fed sees more rate hikes ahead, but at a slower pace. And you can read the meeting minutes, but looks like they're going to continue the rate high, but slower. So it seems like inflation slowly on track. So since inflation might be on check, we can take a look at how the market react. Let's go to the spider. We want to see. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes, so we can see it better how it did yesterday. Naturally, when I go from daily bar back into minutes bar intraday, the chart actually compresses. Okay, much better. So yesterday it gaps up a little. We actually pretty much, this is yesterday, pretty much went sideways. So did Wednesday. So you can actually make a nice box on the intraday like that. Right, you can see right around there, and nice box on the intraday. And where it came from, you have a ramped up, then SN, then the day, you have kind of like a sideways action, gaps up, went up, sideways again. So who knows, right? So yesterday meeting minutes didn't really do much. You know. As you can see, yep, this is the fifth. Didn't do much. So I'm gonna take out this box again. Move this box, read it, click clear, you can draw a box around it. Okay. So that, go back to the daily. Since I trade option, I always look at the daily mostly. It's where I filter out all the noises. The shorter time frame, the more noises you have. Right. So it look like it might be at 1 and 2. You have resistance right here. You have resistance right here. 2-day resistance, short-term resistance right here, right? Yeah. Top, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's look at the Qs, same thing, right? Tiny little tail, not much, still not much. Okay, so let's continue. Wait, I want to mix it up. Let's go for my bottom of my list. The word bottom is actually these kind of like these sector index, then Chinese sector index, so I can see how the China's economy is doing, the China sector index, and then these are high yield ETFs. Let's take a look. So the high yields I can follow. I want to see how they've been doing. Very good interest rate on some of them. Anywhere from 8 to 12% actually they're giving, even a high yield fund. So yeah, these are kind of like offset my long-term equity portfolio. So I have some bond funds and bonds fund and that. Okay, let's start with Lululemon. Nothing, sideways. Actually broke down. See this earning here? Just eat that. Meaning had earnings on that day. Earnings came out, it jumped, gapped up the next day, and a long tail. Alright, so almost kind of like this area, this a nice resistant line right here. You can draw a nice resistant line right here, touching 3 tops. Resistant line, resistant area. Matter of fact, let's make this alright. Not so perfect world, you have this, and yeah, Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Wow. That's a doji star. Do I short it or long it? This is kind of like a zigzag type of pattern, so there's no particular preference on long or short. You can short these levels, you get long some levels right here actually. Look at this. This is compressing. This is this line touching all this bottoms here around there. So you have a narrowing triangle. You have a line here, and then there's upward slope. You have this triangle. Right? Go either way. Looks like top heavy. That was top heavy, right? This actually extended back here. And now that pulls it out. Right, so let's grab this guy. Let's extend this. The longer the time frame, the more stronger this can become. Okay, so I have a resistance area here. That's what we want to do. When it's either at this level, I want price confirmation. If do another one of this, okay, let me remove this line. Okay, right. So if we do another one of these, upside down hammer, woohoo, short. Yep, that's why I marked it. Let's look at Nike. What's Nike doing? Yeah. Oh, it broke down already, see. Down, up, down. So if I took the short, which I didn't because it didn't bounce off, it bounced off from here. I don't see a nice long tail. So then, no play. Kohls, resistant, support, become resistant. Draw this line. Line. Let's put this in the right. So around here, Yeah. So this was support, bounced off, friendship poked through, and now it become resistant. Alright. Yeah, you can take a short here if you're looking for trade. Let's mark this. This actually this guy. You're short right there. TJX. I want to do this. I'll flag it so I know that's in play. Possible. I'm gonna take a trade on it. Nice upside with a nice big uptrend. That's a very nice uptrend. Let's put in a regression channel. Easy. From the bottom to the top. There you go. Now you can see it in perspective. Pulls it back. This was a level. Went right through. Ooh, okay. So TJX count here. New high for recent years on TJX. Why? Best Buy. Pretty choppy, nothing. Caterpillar. Okay. I have a flag. Let's take it off. Nothing. TX. Raytheon sideways. OMT. Sideways. Oh, let's draw a nice little support line here. Here. Around here, yeah. I can't really touch this bottom, these tails. You see tails. So, little support line there. Boeing. Sideways this whole year, 2023, whole year been this box. Hey, let's draw, in this box. typical year. So Boeing. Came out of this 737 Max debacle the year before. Right, drop, all these drop, and then see the drop. Eventually it came back when it was fixed or something. Yeah, so there's fundamental reasons behind a long-term trend. Right now there's nothing, so let's go sideways. Let's look at the cruise lines. Royal Caribbean, RCL, going up, sideways, up, sideways. Very strong. Carnival, spikes up. Airlines, American Airline. Okay, no play. LUV, Southwest, same thing. United Air, Delta, Jet, which is something else, but ooh, look at this. Perfect example of a hammer. Right, up, trace, up again, and then this actually is a turnaround. Yeah, it's a head and shoulder. This is the head, like a mountain, like the head, and then left shoulder, right shoulder. So 1, 2, and 3. Of course, you see after it formed, that's the thing about a lot of these pattern. Candlestick pattern, chart pattern is it formed, then you have confirmation. Right? So, but in actuality, wouldn't have traded this guy. Didn't have play. Even you see the pattern form afterward, but there's no trade on this. No price action confirmation. Right? So let's go. Oh, these are the AI guys. Yesterday, this guy dropped quite a lot. Wow. It's a penny stock below $1. So it's a very different play, very speculative. You buy for long-term hold if you want to buy it. Did I hold this? Nope. Do I have it in my portfolio? Not really. I don't really play these penny stock. The way you play penny stock is to buy a lot. Most of them go to nothing. The few become kind of like Bitcoin. You're millionaires. That's how you buy penny stock. But you need to have really good diversification. You probably need at least 20 different penny stock. Then maybe the more the better actually. But it's a different game. Some people specialize in it. But if you only have 1 or 2, chances are they will go to zero. There's a reason why they're penny stock. Why they're so cheap. Right? Because there's just no prospect, usually no earnings or no stock. They're probably still negative overall on the balance sheet. So beware of that. Okay, let's go. AI, C3, right, and up. Pull back. Oh, look, bounce off this level. Right, 1. Resistance becomes support here. Stuff. Right. A lot of people in my early days, I see this, bounce once, second one, bounce, take the trade. Now I wait for price confirmation. I can afford to wait before when I have to push myself, become a mate trader. Build up experience. I take the less probability trade. This is still a good probability trade, but not as good as the best setup, the false hammer. The Mueller, that is the best. Now, I focus on that mainly. Let's keep going. Let's see. Let's go to Adobe. Up. Gap up, sideways. Nothing much. Okay. Disney. Disney has this fight with the politician for the governor. So, drop. And just going sideways now. This guy just sideways. JWN, Storm, retail, looking at retail now, Macy. I still want to see how the retail sector is doing. These big department store, but haven't really traded them for a long time already. Target, yeah, retail, right. And then Terra Group, Tobacco Group, Philip Morris, right. Nothing. These just pretty much nothing. I don't expect any trade on these. Thank you. Sticking a border overview of my watch list. Most of the time nowadays, because the AI sector is hot, that's where all the money is, where the trade activities are. So I focus more on the semis, but once in a blue moon, I still go look at the border market, look at everything else. Upstart, trend, retrace, trend again. Double top, nothing much yet. Nothing much. Still wait. InvitationHome had a trade here. I actually shorted, went against me, but never went above this trend line. Eventually broke down and took profit. Yeah, it took a while. Almost hit my stop loss area. Never did actually. Just went sideways most of the time. A couple of weeks, eventually broke down, got out on this. Alright. Came back up. So yeah, sometimes I took a trade on this Doji Star. Opened the trade thinking might do a head and shoulder, but it didn't. It went sideways instead. So it happens. Yeah. Still, I make that. You just have to be patient, and either I get stopped out or I will make some profit. And the longer, initially, I set my profit target at this level. Took a trade, open a trade on this bar, pull, and look back. This is where the first possible resistance level is. Right? So set my profit target, and the longer I have to wait for the trade to go in my way, right? And then I reset my profit target to this level instead. That's why on this big bar, I closed out. I closed out intraday when it hit this level. I don't wait for the next bar because it didn't really went my way. Right? And then every time I penetrate, it pulls back. So it was a weak trade. It was a sideways trade. So when I can take some profit, I closed this. What was that? Held for a couple of weeks, make some profit. That's it. Robinhood, $10 stock now. Shopify, sideways. Had a trade. And finish channel. Did a J listed as a multi-leg option, 3 legs option. It's a different play, kind of like a more advanced strategy. I was actually a long bias on this guy somewhere. Did I? J listed some profit. Kohls earning trade. Close. I'll make $84 each contract. When I have option trade, this is how much I make each contract. That's max profit to $225 each contract. Max loss each contract $275. I don't hold to a max profit on max losses, especially max profit. Okay, if it's for Jada said 1/3 to half of my profit, maximum profit, I will take off the trade. That's how I trade options with even higher probability. I have to cover options soon enough. When I open an option trade, pretty much is a sure win. Pretty much, I sell options most of the time, and I pocket the premium. And I am looking. When you sell options, 80% of the option expires worthless. So 80% of the time, the seller of the options actually get a pocket and win the trade, pocket the premiums. And with me and the technical analysis and the nature of the play, I will have 85, 90%, 95% of winning rate once I use options. So, yep. So let's go trade on that, make some money. Let's go to Spotify. Ooh, one way all the way up. Okay. But it's a very, oh, look at this. Yeah, that's my channel. I was waiting for that. So up, now it's sideways. Okay, so that's that. Square. PayPal. Nothing. Doji Star. Turn around. And these two, Hanging Man and the Doji Star, definitely a turnaround with these two. These two, it's very strong technical confirmation. Technical price action that it would and represent end of the uptrend. The Hanging Man, right, upside down hammer, and then Doji Star, back to back like that. Yeah, even here, if you long somewhere on this guy, on this trend, here is a signal. It went a little further, but that was the first signal. Right. I'll tell you, this is first signal, but the moving average crossover. Okay, MACD, MACD, which stands for moving average cross conversion diversion. I look for crossover. And this haven't crossed yet. The momentum is still there. Over here, it crossover. Right. Moving average is a lagging indicator, especially crossover. Your price action confirmation will precede way before moving average. Okay. So you can use moving average in a way that's a lagging indicator, saying that when it narrows, you want to get out. Don't wait till the crossover. Right. Yeah, I will go over moving average on separate videos right now. Continue looking at the market. Look at the electric vehicles. Right, black die down $2. Nothing to do. Rivian has news. Right, it's a fundamental news about orders are ramping up. So gap ran away. Hanging Man right here. See, this is definitely a very clear resistance level. Right. Let's draw a box. We draw a nice box. And this guy, this is your resistance level. So yeah. There you go. Do I short it? No. Look at this momentum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A whole week just ramped up like that. Went from $13 stock to $20 stock. That's 80%, almost 100%. You do not short this guy. I will not short this guy. You don't want to short this guy. If anything, you go long. Wait for the breakthrough, pull back. Wait for a breakthrough. Okay, this guy, you have momentum. Do not go against momentum. You're going to be in a world of hurt. This guy, hold up. There we go. So mistake shorting it accidentally. Right. Blank. Battery charging guy. Nobody care. Plug. Nobody care. Lose it. $7 stock. Nobody care. Lee. Ooh. Upside down hammer. End of this uptrend. Nice uptrend. Let's extend this regression channel. Take it all the way up. There you go. Right here. Don't short it, but if you place to take profit. Here, I actually have a long play. I do have this guy here. Confusing. Okay, let's take this out. As you can tell, I long on this bar. I don't have much confidence on this play. It's a breakout. So I took it off. Make $20 on each contract on the options. It's a covered call. Okay. So okay, yeah. I saw a covered call because I have a long-term holding on this stock. So I showed covered call on a bunch of covered call on my underlying stock that I hold, and just made a quick $20 on each contract. So that was a quick 1, 2, 3. Yeah, broke up, so the covered call held up, and then the volatility dies down and pocket premium. It was a quick trade. That was pretty obvious, easy money actually. That's why I took a trade. This guy finally broke up. Pretty much it. BYD and NEO. Yeah, okay, sideways, nothing. Dollar turn, can you believe it? It's an $8 stock now. At one point, it was a $200-300 stock. During the COVID lockdown, everybody stay home. Everybody exercise at home. Everybody bought a lot of pallets of treadmill, right? And then now it's $8. Not coming back. We're gonna get out before the pandemic's over, or before the lockdown's over. Well, that's what happens sometimes. So you have to always have a stop loss. Investing, trading, always have stop loss. And if you make money, turning profit, chances are it won't go to the moon. Chances are you gotta get off somewhere. Okay, don't actually, these guys don't expect much, so yeah, these are more around stock. Nothing, $2 stock, I don't want so much. Gaming, Riot, yeah, sideways, nothing. Uber, okay, slowly trending up. Gap up. Earning good news. Alright, gapped up. And start making an uptrend. So, yeah. Well, I'm up to earnings. And then, but it was at this channel, so I marked as possible turnaround, but it's a weak uptrend. I didn't take trade because I was just watching, see how it behaved for a long tail. Especially against even a weak trend. I want a price confirmation, so there's no trade. The better trade, of course, go for the trend up, especially good earnings. I was looking for an option play at that time, so it's a weak regression channel uptrend. So, but no price action confirmation bar, no trade. So that is over. That is over. Yeah, I'll leave it there. Lift. Okay. So let's go speed all the way back to the active in play. Apple. Right. Ooh, look. Finally, maybe some consolidation. Google. Up sideways, yes, expecting Meta. Been going up for a while already, these guys. Apple, Meta. So, tracements should be coming. Tesla, gapped up. Yeah. Up here. Trace. No price confirmation. Went up. Nothing. So, no trade on this guy. Amazon start going sideways or clear. The momentum. So you see the momentum? It's dying on this. The moving average start flat lying, and then going slightly down, cross the low over, the fast line cross over the slow line, and then dying off of the momentum. So it's drifting up, but I expect it to eventually retrace. Netflix. Ooh, Doji Star. Could be a very well double top right now. Do this nice up, sideways, up, trace up. Doji Star. So take profit if you're long this guy. It's a good level to take profit on some. Microsoft. I think I'll go. Just waiting for a good price confirmation bar. I would like to see penetrate. Buyers comes in. They have a long tail, come back up, and I'll buy on the next bar. If it close with a false hammer. Neola, that candlestick bar. I want that. Then I will buy these guys. Gold is holding up pretty well. This guy don't even retrace at all. Yeah, no chance. So you wait. You wait for the bottom market to take it down. So be patient. Out of patience to make money. Cannot force it, cannot rush it. Wait for the setup. Wait for the money to drop on your lap. Okay. There we go. AMD. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No play. Don't see any play. Upside down hammer. Right. This play. This no play. Nothing yet. Nothing. You wait. You have to wait. IBM. Nice. Set in one of the sessions. Up, we trace 40-50%. Very up. It came from this long-term downtrend. Retrace, come back. So it's really fighting internally. Fundamentally, there's not much for it to drive upward or to drive it down. That's why the IBM is kind of like that. Micron, pretty sideways this guy. Cisco routers. Okay. You have this kind of like these level 1, 2, 3 top. Doji Star. Come back, but on green bar. So to get down, open up, down, ball it, open up, down. So yeah, still buyers there. I want to see it touch this level. This level. Let's see how it play when it's around this long. Met apply material, up, sideways. I want to see bias comes in, price confirmation. Waiting for market to push it down, and then look for bias comes in on this trending stock, uptrending stock. Okay, let's take a look at Ford. It's trending. Okay, wouldn't have played this one. This retracement. Wait for the next one. GM. Expect the same. American Express. Nothing. Let's go look at Citigroup, Retail Bank, Bank of America. Let's look at Universal Bank. Banking kind of weak since the regional bank blew up earlier this year. So yeah, JPM, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. Okay. Yeah, sideways, nothing much. And I'll swap sideways. Let's look at the commodity, US steel, sideways. Okay, so nothing much. I'm waiting for the market to show its hand. Let's sort things out. Alright, this year, the stocks, semiconductors, AI has been in place, doing this now. Up, kind of like, it's going sideways. I want the broader market to come off, and I want to see the individual stock to come off, and then eventually buyers comes back in. Then I will have a good play, and then I will buy the stock. I will sell puts. I will sell cover call. Yeah, I will lay in a few trade when that happens. Until then, we will wait, be patient, wait for the setup, wait for the high chances that you will win. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next video, everyone, have a good day.